part of the reason why you assented to the request from the interim chief is that you wanted to know?
No.
You never said that earlier today?
No, I said that the acting chief said we should take control of the internal affairs unit, and I said fine. There's no files that I wanted to see.
Okay. What kind of investigations does the internal affairs unit perform?
Only that there are no open investigations on the three people that were going to be demoted.
How do you know that if you didn't want to look at the files?
I didn't look at the files, he told me.
You asked the interim chief what investigations were going on criminal and internal in the internal affairs unit?
I didn't ask him anything. He told me that there are no investigations regarding these three individuals, an open case on Brown that the chief knew about when he promoted him, and I just found that out.
Did the interim chief volunteer this information to you?
Yes.
So you didn't inquire about it?
No.
Do you know if that disclosure is appropriate?
Why not? It's been mentioned that there's open investigations and these mysterious investigations going on.
Okay.
And not only do I agree with you, I'm actually concerned with the answer the manager said, because he said he did that change to see what was there, to see what investigation was there and if it was really happening and so forth. And that actually is concerning to me, because I don't know if that's starting to, play into interfering with a criminal investigation or not. So it's actually concerning to me that you stated that yes, I wanted to see what was there. I wanted to see who was being investigated and so forth. And Madam City Attorney, as the city manager, can he, I don't know if I want to say interfere,